Hey guys, welcome back to Code with Prash, and in this video we are going to learn about variables, and to be precise we will learn what variables are and how to name and declare them, and also what are the rules for naming a variable. So let's get started. So what are variables? Variables are name given to data which we need to store and manipulate in our programs. Suppose your programs need to store the age of a user. To do that, we can name this data username and define variable user age using. Let's see how we will do this. Let's first open our VS Code, and here you can see I have already created a new folder Python course, and it's variables.py, the name of the file. And here I will declare user name. Wait a second, I will declare username equals to, let's declare user age first, okay, so it doesn't confuse you. Okay, so here we have declared a new variable and we'll assign the value of user age 0. As you can see, it is not showing any error. If I delete the 0, you can see that it is showing an error. So it is also a feature of VS Code that you can see what are the errors here. So let's assign its value. Okay, it's 0. After you define your variable user age, your program will allocate a certain memory. Okay, it will allocate a certain memory of computer storage. You can then throughout your program access and modify this data by referring the name of the variable which you assigned it here. We can also define multiple variables in one go. Let's create this user age. Let's comment it out first. It's commented out, and then user age comma username. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, username, and first we need to define the user age. Let's say he's 20 years old. Okay, comma, and then in the others it is actually being consecutively. So now we have to define the username, and because we are going to use characters, we need to use quotes. We will get in detail in later videos about this, why we used quotes here and why didn't we use here. So don't worry about, just think that this is a value where we need to store our name. Let's see, enter Prash here. Okay, so you can see this thing here is equivalent to, let's create this user name equals to Prash. So you can see this and this line and these two lines are doing the same work. Okay, let's assign this 20 here also. Okay, I actually commented out this, so it will not work. It will only assign this value. It is only work for this command, this instruction here. It will not read this because it is a comment. And there are certain variable rules to assign variables. Let's see how it is. You can contain your variable name can contain letters A to Z, small a to Z, also capital A to capital Z. Okay, all numbers. I'm only writing for you to understand. It is not any part of code. Let's comment it out. Okay, comment it out. Okay, commented now. You can use small letters, capital letters, numbers. Okay, and one rule is that your variable name cannot start with a number, and also you can use underscore also. Underscore. Okay, this is underscore. You can also use underscore. Let's see what I'm talking about. You can this variable 1, let's assign a value anything 12. Okay, it is valid, but you cannot name var equals to 12. As you can see, it is showing an error because your variable name cannot start with a number. You can either use underscore here, and use of special characters are also not allowed. Like, you cannot use this, you cannot use any special character here. It will show an error. Only A to Z, small and capital, and the numbers, and also not from the starting. Numbers cannot be in the starting character. The first character cannot be a number, to be precise. And you can use underscore wherever you like. These are only the things you can use to declare a name. And also you cannot use specific keywords which are used by the Python. They are actually reserved words, like if, else, there are else, print. These are some of the reserved keywords which you cannot use as a variable name. Let's say here you can say you cannot 12, and these all will show error because you cannot use them. They are pre-defined keywords. It will show an error. Okay, let's also comment it out. And for the last part, be careful that the variables are case sensitive. What I mean by case sensitive is if you use let's say user name equals to brush, and if you use user name equals to anything you want, Bob. Okay, so you can see these are actually different variable. These are not same. You can Prash can store different value, the username can store different value, this username can store different value, and there also this username is also different. You can if there's a different character like small or capital, then it will create a different variable, and they will be considered as different variables. And actually there are two conventions which are used. Okay, let's clear this out. Let's make this a comment. Okay, there are two conventions which are used. First is camel case. Camel case is like your first word will be in small, and then the starting of the second word will be in capital, like this. This is called camel case notations. Okay, so let's do it. And for another one is using underscore, like this, underscore name. These are actually convention. These are not technically part of the Python. These are actually conventions to use, and we'll be using both of them, and we'll be using most of the time this one, camel case, throughout this video. So that's it for today, guys. This is all we need to do about variables. There will be practice exercises and practice questions which will be answered in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned.